Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect your car to Google Maps via Bluetooth. So first head into your settings, and then make sure that you have already turned on your Bluetooth. So let's head back to our home screen and then access the Maps application. Click this Maps, and then go back, and then click the profile icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, I want you to navigate to Settings, and then scroll a little until you see this navigation settings. Inside the navigation settings, you can edit here or modify things. I want you to scroll more until you see the driving notifications. Toggle this icon here or turn this on in order for you to send the Google Map a driving notifications to your car. Now once turned on, you can now go back to our Bluetooth. Click this and then turn this on. And as you can see here, it has connected to our car. And that's how you can connect your car to Google Maps via Bluetooth.